Hi friends, today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of a home page on the application of Brave. We will go to settings. We go to settings here. In this first page, we go to apps, default apps, app settings. On above, you will search about Brave app and you will click. Here in this page of app info, you will click on first stop and you will click OK. Here you will enter to the window of storage. Then you will click on clear cache, but pay attention, don't click clear data because that can delete your account or can cause you errors in your app. In the end, you can turn off your phone and you can wait a moment to restart your phone again to fix that problem. So please don't forget to support us.